Hello, beautiful ghoul babes. My name's Melissa. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you aren't subscribed, click the subscribe button and a notification bell. Today, I'm going to be playing with, I got two, and I'll show you them. Actually, I got two palettes and two lippy products from Wicked Sister, because the first one I'm going to show you is on their daily Black Friday deals. This was the first one and stuff, and it's based on Chucky. It says Wanna Play, or Child's Play. And then I got their lip kit that's called Tiffany. And, yeah, this was part of the deal. Hi, BB. And it's like her signature kind of red. So I'm going to try that out. So let me show you guys what the Child's Play palette looks like. It's really cute. And then I got, I'm not going to grab it out right now, but I will use it soon. So, let me see. Take this out. I haven't took anything out. So this is an all matte palette. I think? Yeah, all matte. Let me see. Oh, let's dim that down. But there it is. It's an all matte palette, and for some reason, that is a real green color. But there it goes. But yeah, it's cute. I really like it. BB, you're on my freaking brushes, butthole. Oh. Cat, you're a butt. You can lay there. And the other one, I got a lip kit that is called Witch, or Witchy or something. That is a black lipstick. I will be trying that out because I love black lipstick. And this one is their Valentine's Day is Slash My Heart. I got the mini. I didn't get the big one because it was out. So I decided just to get this one because I do like this one a little bit more than the big boy. And this would be fun to travel with. So here is the big boy. Or the little one. Sorry. Because the big boy has more muted tones. This one I can easily just use for traveling. And I will do a look with this soon too. And I'll probably use my black lipstick with it. So I do have my one eye prime. And I will do, after I finish, a quick look with this. I will put on the lipstick and then create the other eye off camera. And put the rest of the stuff on like my normal. But I want to show you guys, I am not very good at doing lip lining, okay? I'm not sure what color I'm going to use. I'm going to use Hammer, which is the brown color. And, we'll see from there. So, I'm going to grab my blending brush from e.l.f. And I used my NYX white, putty. But that is just very brown. I'll just put it right there too. Let me see. I'll just use this one. So I'm going to do Overalls, which is a blue color. And then I'm going to use Best Friends. So I'm going to use this blue right here, and then this, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's pink, as my lid color. And I think I'm going to use a little bit of Human Heart in it, with a little bit of Killer Doll. So I'm going to do a interesting look. And I'll use my loose highlighter. I'm using the loose highlighter. I'm not going to mention because the company decided to stop being a makeup company, which is kind of eh. I have a palette of theirs, and I love their loose highlighter. Okay, that is very light. This time I'm not even going. I'll clean up my lid in a second. Alright, I'm just going to wipe that off, and I'm going to go in with Killer Doll and deepen this area up a little bit right here. And I'm going to use Human Heart for right here. I don't do all matte looks. This is kind of purpley red. I'll use that Killer Doll color for my underneath and blend it out. I usually tend to try to smoke it out. And I add a little bit of this color on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, let me see, this towel. I'm actually just going to reapply. I'm not going to do the whole fancy dancy stuff because it is very light as it is, but this color is probably going to pop like crazy. But I'm just going to reapply it on top. And if it already dissipated, I'll have to reapply it later. And I'm losing my nails like crazy for some reason. I'll have to show you guys exactly what I've been up to. I've been doing a lot of stuff the last couple days. So I'm going to use a packing brush. My weird, poor packing brush. And I'm going to go in with Beth's Friend. I'm going to put that all over. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, I'm going to go in with that blue again. I think I'm going to use Toy Store. Let's add a little more pop. I'm just going to go in with that dark blue and try to buff it in at the bottom, close to my eyeliner. Okay. I'm going to wipe off that Best Friend color and go in with that yellow and put it right here. Holy smokes. Just add a little bit of color right there, and I'm just kind of like flicking it. Alright, that is becoming a very interesting combo. Kind of turning green. Not adding any product. I'm trying to blend that color out a little bit up there. Alright, it is a unique, interesting look. Let me bring back in just a little bit of that for that corner color a little bit. Kind of angling it a little bit. It's not the most impactful look, but it's working. You definitely need some shimmers or some color. I may do a black wing with this just to do it up. So I am going to do the lipstick. This is going to be a bold lip. So just letting you know. So I want to try, I haven't tried their formula of their lipstick. And please don't judge me on my lip lining. I know I'm crappy at it. Ooh, it's a wooden type. Alright, so. Sorry, it's quite... Okay, very creamy, I had to say. I do have to say this is very creamy. Very nice. Not too bad. I like it. So let's see how this formula works. And give it a little shaky. Let's see. Not bad. I'm not a big fan of this applicator, but it's alright. Okay. Not bad. It's pretty. It's really pretty, and it smells kind of fruity. I like it. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry down, and I'm going to redo it on the other eye, do the whole shebang, and I'll be right back. So give me 1 minute, please. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here is the final look. I know there's a little bit of spotting, but I'll clean it up later. Alright, I think I got it. But I did a little bat wing, tried to do. And, yeah, I think it came out really cute and stuff. For an all matte look, it's not bad. And I used my loose highlighter in the corner, which is a blue color. It's not bad. But yeah, what I'm using, my lashes are Graveyard from Crypt lashes, which I am affiliate with. I haven't bought, this is the only one I ever bought from them. I need to buy more from them. Of course, you know my lipstick. I use my e.l.f. Jet Black to do the wing. I may fix it up before I take pictures, but yeah. On Electric from LA Girl Shock Wave, for the blue underneath to pop out a little bit more. But it's cute. The lipstick, I can see it flaking, and it's kind of like dry, a little harsh. You may want to like put down a lip mask beforehand and wipe it away. I wasn't sure how the formula was going to work, but now I do know. So I need to have my lips moist and ready for this because it's going to be a little bit on the drier side. But it's not bad. This is 2 coats. And it's pretty. I know in some areas it looks patchy a bit, but it's not bad. I'm curious how the black's going to play off, because that one, black, is my favorite color. But if it's not paying off right, because I have one that I am not satisfied with it because it's not pigmented enough. But yeah. But I think it's really cute. I like this. And this look will be premiere on yesterday's video. So if you see this look beforehand, I'll mention you guys have to watch tomorrow if you want to see how this and what product I'm using, kind of thing, in the video before this. As if you saw what I was, yeah. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, give it a comment, like and comment down below, yeah. I would really appreciate that. And if you want to, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I do try to air multiple times out of the week, give or take what's going on. I know I slacked off this week. I had a cluster migraine from heck. I've been off and on feeling sick. It's horrible. My daughter's been sick. It's just been one of those all sudden spurts of stuff. Thank God it's not COVID, so yeah. But yeah. I hope you're all doing good. Stay safe, and I love you all until next time. Okay, guys. Bye!